What's up, everybody? I'm Dan with Backpacking Adventures, and Lance and I are back out on the trail. Today we are on a small section of the Appalachian Trail, and I don't know if you can see behind me, but the trailhead is jam-packed. I couldn't even find a place for my car. Lance beat me here. He got the last spot, so I had to park way off. I hope my car's going to be okay today or overnight, but we're just going in a little bit just for a nice, relaxing overnight. We're going to hike in, try to find a spot with a nice view, and just hang out. Now, you know you made it as a YouTuber when you're out on trail and somebody hiking the opposite direction recognize you. Lance and I were hiking along, and we were going uphill, and 3 hikers were kind of coming downhill, so they moved aside, and one of them recognized me, and he watches my channel. He even commented on my new pack because I just had my video out the other day. So his name is John, trail name Tomahawk. That was awesome, man. I really appreciate it. But yeah, that's really something to be, you know, small YouTuber and being noticed out on the trail. We made it to camp, and I don't know if you can see, but we are almost set up. We're still kind of working on that. The wind is blowing from over there. It's coming in pretty strong at times, so we're gonna hunker down tonight, but we'll be good. And when we walked up, you'll notice Lance is working on the fire. There was actually someone sitting here having tea, and he already had a fire going, so there's already some wood. The fire's already kind of started, so we are ahead of the game. But this spot is primo, and I want you to see this view. Check it out. That is our view for tonight. So we got the rocks to sit on here. I probably might not even need our stools. We did bring stools. We pretty much brought everything but the kitchen sink. That's what we do in the wintertime. Short miles, and we bring food. Except for today, we didn't bring real food. We were planning on it, bringing steaks and different things, potatoes, but it rained yesterday, so we thought the wood might be a little bit too wet to make a fire. But I guess you can see by this, there's a fire. So, but we're gonna finish setting up, and then we're gonna start having some snacks and probably eat some dinner later. Ooh, baby. Look at this view at night. I think I'm going to end it for tonight. We're eating dinner right now. We cut a lot of wood, so we're going to have a nice fire. I'm going to eat my gumbo from Packet Gourmet, and Lance is eating his chili mac from Mountain House. And we got a nice fire going, and that's going to be it for the night. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's day 2. Slept pretty good. Got down to about 30 degrees. Not too bad. We've been in worse. But it was pretty breezy. And I did have a pretty sucky hang on my hammock because I hung it to a tree that was not quite sturdy enough, so it kept kind of leaning over, so it would make my tarp droop and flap in the wind. But we are looking at, hopefully we can see a sunset, sunrise. But it is just starting to snow, so probably just going to get a couple flurries. But we're going to eat, pack up, and then get out.
We're making a big cut. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to end it for today. It was a great trip. We're almost at the car. Hopefully my car's still here because I had to park in a very precarious way. But it was a great trip. We had a lot of fun. Pretty good test of our winter gear again. This is Lance's first trip, like in really cold for the hammock. So everything went really good. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.